Hello everyone, I'm Siddharthan. Today I'm really excited to share with you an amazing offer from iNeuron. Most of you might know iNeuron already. They provide courses on data science, machine learning, and deep learning at an affordable price. On December 11, they launched One Neuron. One Neuron is like an OTT platform for education. One Neuron is a brand new subscription based platform where you can learn from almost 100 courses for a single subscription fee of 7080 INR for a year. But that is not all. As the icing on the cake, if you subscribe to One Neuron before 15th January 2022, you will get lifetime access for all the courses and services in One Neuron for the same 1 year subscription fee. Yeah, you heard me right. If you subscribe after 15th January, so you have to pay 7080 for a single year subscription. Whereas if you can subscribe before 15th January for the same price, you will get lifetime access for all the courses and services. So in this video, I'll tell you how you can get this offer and also how you can get 5% discount on this entire subscription fee and what are all the courses and services that are provided in One Neuron. Okay, so you can go to the link provided in the description of this video. It will take you to this site. So you have to log in with your mail ID and your password. So after signing up, so you can see this Tech Neuron option. So this is how you can pay the fees here. Okay, so below that you will see what are all the courses that are available. Okay, as I've told you, there are almost 100 courses. So you have courses on digital marketing, R programming, Linux, and so on. So you just scroll down and see what are all the different courses that we have here. So there is also Azure Data Science Associate Program, and there is also Full Stack Data Science program, Power BI, and so on. Okay, so you can also go through all of these things. There is also NLP, computer vision, and so on. So there are almost 100 courses, and if you use the link provided in the description, so when you go to this buy now option, you will automatically get this coupon code, which is a 5% discount for the entire subscription fee. Okay, so the total amount payable will be 6726 INR. Okay, so I'll just give you more information on what are all the courses and services that are available in iNeuron. So it is not only courses, but we also have a lot of services that are available, which will be very useful for us. So this is how your dashboard will look like once you sign up for One Neuron. So as you can see, all the courses which we have discussed before. So we have digital marketing, R programming, Linux, Git, and so on. Okay, so you have courses on Tableau, Power BI, Google Cloud Platform, Kubernetes, etc. And you can see this option here, raise your demand. So this is my most favorite thing. Okay, so let's say that you are interested to learn about a particular topic. So you are interested to learn about a specific course, so you can go to this raise your demand. So here you can mention the type of your demand. So let's say that I'm providing this course request option. So in this you can give what is your demand. So you can see here, so you can raise demand related to any new course and we will fulfill your need in the next 60 days. So in the next 60 days, that course will be uploaded in the One Neuron platform and you don't need to pay any extra fee. It is the same subscription fee that you have provided for the first time. Okay, so you can request for new courses. Let's say you are interested in a different data analysis course using a separate tool. So you can raise your demand. If the demands are more, they will definitely make this separate course. And you can also request a specific module in a course. Let's say that you are already learning the data science course in their platform and you want a separate module, a specific topic, they can also make it. And you can also ask for topic explanation. You can also ask for doubt clearing session and so on. So again, we have the expert advice on topics. So you also have your resume discussion, mock interview, and you can also request this work with iNeuron, where you can also get internships and other things. So these are all the different demands that we can ask for. And then we also have this doubt clearing session. So if you click this check now, you can see the different timetables for your doubt clearing session. So we have all the days of the week here. So on Monday 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. so there will be doubt clearing session on development, and on Monday between 3 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. there will be doubt clearing session on data science. And in this particular time frame we have cloud doubt clearing session and DevOps doubt clearing session and so on. Okay, so the doubt clearing session will probably start from 5th January 2022 and so on. So these are all the most interesting services and features that are provided in One Neuron. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear about this One Neuron. So check it out and see whether it is useful for you, and I hope this is a very good deal for you. So that's it from my side, and let me know what you think about this. So that's it from my side. I'll see you in the next upload.